Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Club, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. It's great to be here with all of our amazing listeners. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, Paul. I'm so excited about our topic today. It's a big one.
Oh, yes, it's something many learners ask about. So what is our big topic?
Today, we're going to talk about how to speak like a native.
Wow, that is a great topic. It's not about being perfect, right? It's about being clear and natural.
Exactly. It's about sounding more relaxed and confident when you speak. And we have some fun tips to share.
I'm ready. But before we start, we want to say thank you for listening. If you like English Club, please give this episode a thumbs up.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Okay, Emily, let's begin.
Let's do it.
So what is our first point for sounding more like a native speaker?
Our first topic is connected speech.
Ooh, that sounds serious.
It does sound a little serious, but it's actually very simple and very natural.
Can you explain it, Emily?
Of course. Connected speech is when we link words together. We don't say every word one by one. For example, we don't say an apple with a big pause.
Ah, I see. The words flow together. So how does an apple sound with connected speech?
It sounds like an apple. The two words connect and sound like one word, smooth and natural.
That makes sense. It sounds much faster and more natural. Do you have another example?
Sure. How about good afternoon? We don't say good afternoon. The D from good connects to afternoon. So it sounds like good afternoon.
Yes, exactly. It makes the conversation flow. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference.
That's right. So listen for how words connect when native speakers talk.
Cool. What's next on our list?
Next up, we have reductions and contractions. This one is super common.
Reductions. Does that mean we make words smaller?
That's a perfect way to say it. We make some words shorter to speak faster. For example, going to.
Oh, I know this one. Many people say gonna, like I'm gonna go to the store.
You got it. Going to becomes gonna. It's very common in informal spoken English.
And want to becomes wanna, right? Like, I want to learn English.
Yes, you're on a roll, Paul. That's another great one. It's all about making speech easier and faster.
What about contractions? Are they different?
They're similar, but a bit different. Contractions combine two words, often with an apostrophe. For example, I am becomes I'm, or you are becomes your, and he is becomes he's.
Got it. And we also have negative contractions, like do not becomes don't, and is not becomes isn't.
Exactly. Using contractions like I'm and don't makes your English sound more natural right away.
That's so helpful. It's a key part of everyday conversation. Okay, Emily, ready for our third tip?
I'm ready. What is it?
It's stress and emphasis. This is about which words we say with more energy.
Ah, so not all words are equal. Some words are more important in a sentence.
That's right. We stress the important words to give our sentence meaning. For example, if I say, I love this podcast, the stress is on I.
So that means you love the podcast. Maybe someone else doesn't.
Exactly. But if I say, I love this podcast, now the stress is on love. It shows strong feeling.
Right. And if you say, I love this podcast, you're saying you love this specific one and not another.
Perfect. It's the same sentence, but the meaning changes depending on the stress.
That's so cool. It's like the music of the language.
Yes, don't say everything flat. Give some words more power.
Okay, what's next for our listeners?
The next topic is regional accents.
This is a big one because English is spoken in so many countries.
Right. Even in one country, there are many accents. A London accent sounds different from a Scottish accent, and an accent from New York sounds different from one in Texas.
So the tip for our listeners is, don't worry. There is no one correct accent.
Exactly. The goal is to be clear, not to sound exactly like someone from a movie.
It's good to listen to different accents. It helps your brain understand more people.
Yes, try listening to American, British, and Australian English. All of them are wonderful.
And your own accent is part of who you are. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Well said. Now let's talk about something fun, modern slang.
Ooh, this is a tricky one. Slang changes so fast.
It really does. Slang is very informal. It's what people use with friends. For example, you might say something is cool.
Cool is a classic. It means something is good or great, like this music is cool.
Exactly. Another one you hear a lot is awesome.
Ooh, yes, that movie was awesome. It means it was amazing.
Perfect. Or lit. People say that party was lit. It means exciting or excellent.
Very informal, though.
Very informal indeed. So listen for slang, but be careful using it. Start with safe ones like cool or awesome.
Yeah, don't use slang in a job interview.
Definitely not. But it's useful to understand slang when you hear it.
What's next?
Next, we have set phrases. These are groups of words that often go together, like blocks.
Blocks? What do you mean by that?
I mean, you can learn the whole phrase as one thing. For example, how are you? You don't think about each word.
You just know the phrase, like see you later or have a nice day.
Exactly. Learning set phrases makes you sound more natural and helps you speak faster.
Because you don't have to build sentences word by word.
Right. Phrases like, what do you think? Or, can you help me please? Are super useful.
Great tip. Learn them as one unit.
Now, let's talk about power words.
Power words, do they give you superpowers?
In a way, yes. They make your English stronger and more interesting. Instead of saying good all the time, use words like amazing, fantastic, or delicious.
So instead of the food was good, I could say the food was delicious.
Exactly. And instead of bad, you could say awful or terrible.
I see. So instead of happy, I could say joyful or ecstatic.
Perfect. Using power words helps you sound more expressive and confident.
What's next on the list?
Let's talk about speed and pauses. Some learners think speaking very fast is good, but that's not always true.
Right. Native speakers change their speed and use pauses.
Exactly. A pause can build excitement or give time to think. For example, I have good news.
Ooh, I like that. The pause makes people curious.
Yes, and pauses make speech sound natural. Nobody speaks like a robot.
I am a robot.
Ha ha ha. Please don't do that again.
Got it. So don't rush, speak at a comfortable speed, and use pauses wisely.
Now, let's talk about formal and informal English.
Super important. Using the wrong one can sound awkward.
Exactly. Informal English is what you use with friends. Hey, what's up? Want to grab a coffee?
But not with your boss.
Right. Formal English is more polite. Good morning. How are you today? Would you be available for a meeting?
I see. So no wanna or what's up in business situations.
Exactly. Always think about who you're talking to and where you are.
Okay, Emily, we're at our last tip. What is it?
Our final point is about natural reactions.
Oh, like when we say, oh, really? Wow, I see.
Yes, these small words show you're listening and interested.
Right, it would be strange if someone said, I bought a new car, and you said nothing.
Exactly. You could say, wow, that's amazing, or, oh, really? What kind?
Those little reactions make a big difference. They keep conversations alive.
Yes, it's not just about speaking, it's about how you listen and respond.
Wow, Emily, these 10 tips are fantastic. We talked about connected speech, contractions, stress, accents, slang, set phrases, power words, speed, formal English, and natural reactions.
It was a lot, but hopefully helpful for everyone listening. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just try one or two new things this week.
Start small. Maybe try using more contractions or a few power words like delicious or amazing.
Exactly. Every small step helps.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode.
This was so much fun.
We hope you enjoyed it. If you found these tips helpful, let us know in the comments.
Yes, tell us which tip you're going to practice first.
We love reading your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Club and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you all for listening. Keep practicing, and remember, English is fun.
See you next time.
Bye for now, and keep learning.